What's going on, guys? It's Julbert. And listen, if you sell digital products, this video is about to change the entire way you run your business. So, today, what I'm going to do is give you a step by step walkthrough on how to automate your entire digital product business using GoHighLevel. All right. So, I'm going to talk about automatic sales, automatic product delivery, automatic audience growing, right, which is huge, automatic customer onboarding, automated upsells, automated follow-ups, and guess what? You can stop running a digital product like a hustle and start running it as an actual business. All right. So if you want a free 30-day trial of GoHighLevel so you can test everything that I'm talking about out, grab the link in the bio, right? Plus, if you want a team that can actually execute and put all this thing in place, book a call with one of our team members here below. With that said, let's dive right in. All right, I've had several digital products. I've sold them online. I've got hundreds and hundreds of customers from them, and it should feel super simple. But for most creators, it looks like this. They're using a tool like Gumroad for sales, or they're using Etsy for downloads. They have Canva for templates. They may be using an email platform for delivery, or they have a link tree for links. They're using Zapier for automation. They're using Notion for bias tracking. They're using Stripe for payments. So they have all these tools that they're all connect together to make this thing work. And it works, but sometimes there could be some challenges. So that's where I think a tool like HighLevel can replace everything and you have everything in one platform. Because think about it, you're able to get the website, the funnel builder, the email, the SMS, the voicemail, the AI voice agent, the product delivery, the membership area, the automation workflow. Already have Stripe integration, social media is already scheduling inside, right? The CRM, customer tracking. You literally get one system, one login, one smooth machine where everything is running properly. And then you're able to use that system to really scale your digital product. So to do that, I'm going to share three different systems you can have within HighLevel, right? System number one is the digital product sales funnel, right? This is to me your engine because inside HighLevel, you can literally set up a funnel and this is how yours gonna work. You create a simple lead magnet that could be like a checklist, a SOP, a Stripe file, a template, a script, a list, right? You build a two-step funnel. Basically, somebody opt in, the digital product tripwired, and then HighLevel within that, you can tag the users, you can send their freebies, you can send a 7-day follow-up sequence. You can literally push them to your main product so you can increase your sales and your average order value. So to me, this is how a creator can literally wake up and making money from just posting content, right? People get the free stuff, then they get the pay offer, and then it goes from there. The other option is you can have a second system, which is automated delivery and onboarding, right? The number one killer to me when it comes to not getting repeat customer is a bad delivery experience because if they don't get their product, they're not coming back, right? So HighLevel have fixed that. So you can have an instant file delivery. Boom. They're paid, they automatically get their stuff, they get the email, a clean customer portal, they get a welcome onboarding sequence where you can even have a video training. They get a start here video, they get a product walkthrough, they get a milestone reminder, they get feedback requests. Like it's so much you can add to this, which can really help with that digital product delivery so that it's professional and you get a high level of customer experience. All right. And then the third system is what I call repeat sales or what's called like a customer ascension. Instead of just selling one product once, you can use HighLevel to set up upsell bundle, cross sell into something else, promote like a coaching program, mentorship program, invite customers to your community, recurring revenue, re-engage with old buyers, deliver supplies bonuses, create that experience, automate the personalized recommendations so they feel like, oh wow, you really care about them and you want to actually help them. And this is what digital products creators can go from just getting a few random sales here and there to having something that is stable, predictable, monthly income that's coming in from your digital products because you created a system, right? So I'll give you an example. One of my colleagues sold digital planners, right? Everything was done manually. They had one link, and then customer would get lost after the purchasing process. So nobody really know what to buy next. There is no actual follow up, no onboarding, no repeat purchases. So what we suggested is to use a tool like HighLevel, and then they were able to create like a full education sequence, automated product delivery, right? PDF, video, hybrid, onboarding call. They're able to get weekly value emails, to get surprise bonuses, right? They're able to even cross sales for high ticket bundle. And guess what happened? Once they're able to get some of these things in place, you know, now they're able to get more customers in the door, um, increase the lifetime value that nearly triple. And again, not because they were paying more money on ads, but because they were using system, and the system helped them get smarter. So with that said, I want to also share some strategies that I think are next level, that not a lot of people are using, especially in the digital product space. And I think if you're able to take advantage of this secret, it could really help you go crazy, right? So secret strategy number one is to have what I call a smart recommendation engine. Um, so I'll give you an example. Every time someone clicks a link, opens a template, completes a lesson, fills out a form, buy a product, downloads a file, you can literally have HighLevel tag them because of that action that they took, segment them, right? And send them like a hyper personalized product suggestion. So what do I mean by that? Let's say someone buys a podcast guest script, right? You can have a HighLevel automatically send your first 100 outreach emails, right? Template. So that then offers your creator bundle, then invites them to a free training. So literally, because they took that one action, three different things happen. So it's like you running a personalized storefront inside with like emails and texts, right? So think of like an Amazon level personalization, but for digital product creators. Okay, so that's strategy one. Strategy two is what we would call like an invisible retargeting machine. Most creators think that retargeting require ads. Yeah, that's one. That's true, but also you got to think about there's other form of retargeting, right? Email retargeting, text retargeting, voicemail drops, messenger, WhatsApp, DMs, internal automation, conditional logics. So someone who actually review your sales page but doesn't buy, maybe they click on the buy button but they didn't buy anything, but you already have the information because they purchased before, right? You can set up like a 5 minute follow-ups. Well, hey, what question do you have? Type of text that deliver maybe a case study or video or show them, a DM only discounts. Then that trigger waits for 12 hours. Then another video message goes out to them. And then when they click that, it pushes them into a new sequence. So now you create an automatic workflow that convert hesitant buyers without using ads and without feeling salesy because they took some form of action on your page. So once your digital product engine is running, you can literally have virtual assistant or what I call specialized VA serve to help you manage your content calendar, actually set up that whole workflow for you as well, schedule the social posts, update product delivery, follow up with everyone that replies to DM, serve as customer support, right? Create new templates, run your onboarding calls so that it gives them personalized experience, while you have HighLevel as the tool that literally automate everything, automate the follow-ups, automate the sales, automate the education, you know, and help automate the customer retention process. Because at the end of the day, you're building a business, so you want ongoing customers. And this to me is one way that you can scale without having a big team, because you can have one virtual assistant and your system on HighLevel, and you can kind of get the whole thing running. All right. So let's do a quick recap. With HighLevel, your digital product business becomes automated, organized, scalable, predictable, and duplicable while still being professional, right? So you don't have to be juggling 12 different tools at one time, sending different files manually that takes forever, losing leads or being inconsistent with your sales process, and missing follow-up opportunity, or even forget that you got these customers, right? So I want to make this insanely simple and easy for you. If this is something you want to use for your business, you want to up your game with your digital product, grab our free 30-day trial. That's in the link in the comments, so you can test that out, right? Instead of the 14-day trial, and also book a strategy call where we can give a virtual assistant that can set up the system for you so that you don't have to figure it out, right? So you can have your sales funnel, your delivery system, your onboarding sequence, your follow-up automation, your upsell engine. You can have one of our team members set this whole thing up for you, and all done without like you missing a beat. So click the link, check out the trial, and I can't wait to see you in our next video. Talk to you soon. Cheers. Let's help your digital products turn into an actual automated recurring business that's bringing continuous income for you and your family. Talk to you soon. Cheers.